What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your very own Minecraft texture pack. First, close Minecraft completely and open up your web browser. In the search bar, type Minecraft Default Texture Pack and hit enter. Look for the official site in the search results and click on it. On the site, scroll down until you find the downloads option for the default texture pack. Once the download is complete, make a note of the version you downloaded, since it's important later. Now that the file is downloaded, minimize or close your browser and open up your File Explorer. Navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the texture pack you just downloaded. Double-click the file to open it. Then click Extract All. Choose where you'd like the extracted folder to be saved and click Extract. Once extracted, open the folder to access the files. Here, you'll see all the assets that make up Minecraft's visuals. Let's start with editing textures. Navigate to the Assets folder. Then, go into the Minecraft folder. And finally, the Textures folder. Here, you will find various subfolders for blocks, items, entities, and more. For this example, let's edit a block texture. Open the Blocks folder and use the search bar in the top right corner of the File Explorer to find a specific texture. For instance, type dirt and press enter. You'll see a file named something like dirt.png. This is the texture for the dirt block. To edit this file, you'll need an image editing program. Most Windows PCs come with Paint 3D, which works perfectly for this. Right-click on a dirt texture, select Open With, and choose Paint 3D. Once the file opens, zoom in for better precision. Use the tools at the top like brushes, thickness, and color options to edit the texture. Once you are satisfied with the edits, click Menu in the top left and then click Save. You can repeat this process for any texture in the pack, whether it's blocks, items, or even mods. After editing, you can rename the texture pack folder. Right-click the folder, select Rename, and type a name of your choice. To change the texture pack icon, open the folder and locate the existing icon file, which is typically named pack.png. Delete this file and then replace it with your desired image. Ensure the new image is in PNG format and rename it to pack.png. If you want to edit the description of the texture pack, locate the pack.mc meta file in the main folder. Right-click on it, select Open With, and choose Notepad. Here, you'll see a line labeled Description. Replace the existing text with your custom description, such as customized by your name. Save the changes by clicking File and then Save and close Notepad. Now, it's time to test your texture pack in Minecraft. Open Minecraft and select the latest release from the launcher, then click Play. Once you're in the main menu, go to Options and then Resource Packs. Click Open Pack Folder and a File Explorer window will open. Drag and drop your custom texture pack folder into this window. Close the File Explorer and return to Minecraft. Your texture pack should now appear in the list of available resource packs. Select it by clicking the arrow to move it in the active list, and then click Done. Finally, enter a world to see your changes. Open your inventory and search for one dirt block, or any texture you edited. Place the block into the world to view your custom design. And that's it. You've successfully created and installed your own Minecraft texture pack. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.